Hey there! Today we're going to be making a 10,000 bronze play button cake in celebration of 10,000 subscribers. We hit this back in November and I thought, why not make a cake to celebrate? So I did a Funfetti cake and we decorated to make it look like a play button. As you can see, my piping is still not that good. So I just did some fondant letters saying congrats 10,000. And this is a big congratulations to you guys because we passed this together. Now the recipe and everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this.
You're gonna need 2 1/4-inch sheets of cake. I will leave my vanilla recipe down below. All you have to do is add some sprinkles into it. I trimmed off the edges of this to square it out a little better. Once your cake is cooled and you cut your edges, we're gonna do the filling. I added some sprinkles to my buttercream. I will also leave that recipe down below. Just fill that up and then add your other layer on top. Center it as best as possible, and then we're gonna do a crumb coat on here. So just put a thin layer of buttercream on this. Once it's done, refrigerate it for a couple minutes. We're gonna start rolling out our black fondant. You can also use black buttercream if you don't like fondant. Roll it out. I use cornstarch with mine. And then roll it back up on a rolling pin and place it over your 1/4 sheet pancake. Smooth it out, smooth the edges. You can use your hands or you can use a smoothing tool and just work a little quickly. You don't want it to harden, it will start cracking if you wait too long. Once you're done, trim off that excess fondant with a knife, remove it. And then place this aside while we do the play button. I just printed out a template of the play button, rolled out some black fondant, and trimmed it out with an X-Acto blade. And then I also trimmed out a little play button to place on top of this. I used my template to center where the triangle needs to go. And then with a little bit of vodka, I just placed this on here. You can also use clear vanilla extract or some water. And I did the same after I painted it bronze. I used a little bit of vodka and bronze luster dust to paint it. And then I rolled out a little bit of white fondant and got my lettering for the congrats and the 10,000. Added a little bit of clear vodka to that. You can also use vanilla extract or water to stick these on here. And then just repeated this with all my letters and numbers. And there's our bronze play button cake.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see the pictures of this and everything I've been making, I do post on Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. All those links are down below. If you want to leave a suggestion for a future video, put it in the comments down below as well. If you enjoyed my content, hit the subscribe button down below. And until next time, stay sweet.